Now I'm feeling much, much, much better. That's great. That's great, Vivek. That's great, Ramya. Hi, Zulekha. Just give me a minute, Vishu. I will explain that to you, okay? Hi, Navya. Hi, Sanjan. I'm doing great now. I'm absolutely fine now, guys. How about you? How are you guys doing? How was your day? Hi, Aishwarya. Okay, so guys, before moving forward, let me just give you guys a quick recap first, and then I will take the doubts first, like we did in the last session. Hi, Aditya. Sure, sure. We will do each and every question in the class. Okay, don't worry. First of all, let me just do the recap of what we have done in the last session. Then I will take down, and then we will do the homework. Okay. So, guys, in our previous session, we covered some essential concepts related to loops in Python. Let's quickly go over what we learned. So, we learned what is a for loop. We learned when do we use a for loop. We did some hands-on practice. We learned about zip function. We learned about break and continue statements. And then we learned about while loop in Python. What is it? When and why do we use it? For loop versus while loop also I told you guys. We did multiple real life examples in the class. And at the end, I gave you guys the homework also. So now before discussing the homework, I would like to know if there is any doubt. Any kind of doubts from a previous session, please do let me know. I will take the doubts first, and then we will do the homework together. Okay?
Ma'am, first
Yes.
thing, so if the number is going to be, if you know the definite number, then we have to use for in loop, right?
Yes.
If we don't know the number, we have to use while loop.
Yes. That is the difference between them.
While in, that also has to put us in, right? In that
No, no,
one.
no. In while we don't put in for
Oh,
in for loop we are using in. Why? Because in that I am just saying because I am already having the predefined numbers now. I am
okay.
having a list. So I am taking a let me just show you that. That will be more, I guess, helpful for you. Just give me a moment. Huh? See, here. Here I am having this fruits list over here for I. This I is going to represent each and everything which is present in this list, right? In. I
Yes, yes.
is
Okay.
present in the fruits list. That is why I'm using in over here.
So
Okay?
that means I in the variable.
Yes.
Okay, okay. And the second question I just want to ask you is that
Yeah.
where we have to use the integer, where we have to use the float, because even the answer is coming as an integer, but we are writing as a float. Why?
Uh, where you're doing it? Can you please let me know the question also?
When we are discussing about the samples, that time I will let you know.
Okay.
And can you please explain that while one more time?
Yeah, sure. I will explain and also continue function. Okay. Okay, let me just take while loop first and then I will explain you guys about the continue statement again, okay? Okay, so first of all, what is while loop? Everyone listen to me carefully, okay? So while loop is a type of loop in programming that repeats a block of code as long as the condition is true. As long as the condition is true. Like I want my loop to run unless until the value is less than is equals to 5. Unless until value is less than is equals to 5. So until my condition is getting satisfied, my loop will work. The moment my condition became false, my loop will stop. My loop will stop. It will come out of it. That is while loop. Is it clear now, Sudha?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Great. Now, Rishu, your question. Continue statement. Give me a second now. Yeah, this is continuous statement question only. Give me a second. Minakshi is there in the session. Give me a second now. Her ID is not working. Okay. Just give me a second, huh, Soumya. Let me just explain continuous statement first, then I will take the other doubts, okay? So, Rishu, so continuous statement. What happens in continuous statement, now? So, continuous statement is like where your condition is getting satisfied. Skip that part and continue with the other. Where your condition is getting satisfied, skip that particular part and continue with the other. See, here out of stock I'm doing. Out of stock shoes, out of stock socks. These two are satisfying the condition. So these two are getting skipped and others are getting printed. This is continuous statement. Is it clear, Rishu? Is it clear, Rishu? Rishu?
Ma'am, clear, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, also I have a doubt. Ma'am, how to code without
Without
what do here
without
in this example processing is repeated 3 times, now.
sorry?
In this example, processing t-shirt, processing jeans, processing trousers, repeated 3 times, now. How can we get only processing dot dot then t-shirt, jeans, trousers? How can we get that like that?
Sorry, I didn't got your question, but what I am understanding, you are saying that how I can make it work for less times, right?
I yes, ma'am.
Right now. So here, what is happening? In for loop, it is going to work on this whole list. Unless until my list will not get over, it is going to work. If you want, see, there I am having my desired number. I already know that this much time my loop is going to work. If you want to break it, if you don't want the whole loop to work, then just put some condition over here and put a break statement. It will get break down. Okay, Rishu?
Okay, madam. Okay, madam.
Is it
Ma'am,
clear now? Yes, yes.
ma'am, if we put as for example, whatever you told, what we understood, for I in a cart, if trouser, for example, we are putting the trouser in I, break. That means it will stop on the break at the trouser, right?
No, it's not like that, Sudha. You have to just put one condition. If you want only t-shirt to come, let's say, from this only
Okay.
t-shirt to come, just put if I is equal to t-shirt, break. Only that will
Okay,
get
ma'am.
printed and
Okay.
it will not work for the other ones.
Okay. Fine,
Okay?
fine. So, okay,
Yes.
okay.
So, I have one question.
Yes.
So, instead of out of stock, if I type trouser, so trouser will not be counted, right?
Yes, give me a moment. Let me show you that as well. From this list, if you will put anything like trouser, jeans, because they all are the part of this. If you
Okay,
will
okay,
put
fine.
anything and that condition is getting matched, that will not be the part of my output then. Because I'm using continuous statement.
Mhm.
Clear now?
Yeah.
Great. Now, what is the other doubt I am having? Can you, okay. Okay. Can you explain the problem statement of book? Problem statement of book. Fifth, last example, right? Books example. I guess that was in Saturday session, right? Yes. Yeah. Got it, Soumya. Give me a sec. You're talking about this, Soumya? This one, Soumya? Okay. So which part you had the problem? Give me a second. Huh? To update the book. Fifth part, to update the book. This one, na? So modify, update. See, modifying the item with the help of index. Wherever there is a spelling mistake, just take that particular index is equal to the correct one and just print it. This is how you're going to update your. This is how you are going to update. You are going to modify. Okay, Soumya. Okay, Soumya. Just take the name of the list. Inside the square bracket, just put that particular index which you want to change is equal to the correct name, and you will just print it. That is, I have written suppose there is a typo. I have written suppose there is a typo. I agree, Little Prince is at the last, and here that is why I have written suppose there is a typo. You guys have to find out the index on your own in this example. Okay, Soumya? Why we have printed Charlotte? That is suppose. That is the suppose part, na. I have just given you guys an example. For example, if there is a typo in that, just an example, you guys have to do it on your own on any part. Got it? Great. Okay. Any other doubts, anyone? Any other doubts, anyone?
No, ma'am. Fine, ma'am.
Okay. I guess there was one more doubt in the chat. Okay. I'm seeing. Just give me a moment. Huh? I need a basic difference between for loop and while loop, like at what point, for what purpose, the respective loops. I have told you guys that in the last session only. Now, for loop we use when we already know the desired number, when we already know how many times my loop is going to work. And while loop, when I don't know how many times my loop is going to work. That time while loop, otherwise for loop. That is the basic difference between both the loops. Okay, Saswat? The syntax is same. The syntax is same. For for loop, we are just going to use the for keyword, and for while loop, we are just going to use the while keyword. And colon is important, indentation is important. This is the syntax. Just you have to take care of the for and the while parts because both are keywords. Okay, Saswat? Yeah, just for and while is different. And obviously, for both of them, the logic building is depends upon you, like how you're going to build your loop. For that, you have to practice, Saswat. And if there will be any doubt, just post that in the group. Now we are there to help you guys out. Okay. Any other doubts, anyone? Before I will start with the homework, any other doubts?
Ma'am,
Yes.
it's a basic doubt, but I'm still confused in if condition and for condition. Can you just tell me the difference between?
If, first of all, if is a statement, for is a loop. Both are very, very different. Okay. So Ankita, in if statement, what happens now? In if statement, what happens? I am just going to satisfy one condition. If the condition gets satisfied, my block of the statement, my print statement is going to get printed. In for loop, I'm going to loop over any iterable. Iterable means list which is containing multiple things inside it. On that, I'm going to loop again and again. Like five things are there in the list. 5 times I'm going to do the same thing for that. That is loop. That is for loop. If is a statement in which I'm just going to put the condition. When it will get satisfied, my statement will get printed. That is if and that is for. Is it clear now,
Okay.
Ankita?
Yes, clear, ma'am.
Clear? Great.
Clear.
Any other doubts, anyone, before I will move forward? Any other doubts, anyone, before I move forward?
Yes, ma'am, I have one doubt.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, actually, I saw today one video for print statement
Okay.
from YouTube. There is a statement that means join the two print statement help with the help of end keyword.
With the help of
End keyword, END.
end
Two
keyword.
print statement, yes, two print statement.
You're talking about, just give me a second. I am just getting a heads up. With the help of that.
Yes, ma'am. End
And there something should be
equal to
given
double
like
quote.
that. Double quote,
Yes,
like tab
yes.
T or tab N, something given, right?
Yes, ma'am. Or nothing in double quote, there is a space.
Oh yeah, that is for the space part. That I agree with that. Okay. See what happens now when we are using the loops. Most of the times we use that part when we are using loops, and that also not right now. We are on the very basics part. We have just done what? Single loop. These statements, this you are saying printing both together. If you will agree to my point that they must have used in what nested loop, a loop under a loop. In that state, in that particular example, they must have used that in that video, right? Right,
No,
Meenakshi?
ma'am. In only the print statement. Print statement. If I have two print statement and I want to convert into one print statement, means I am from mobile. That's why I cannot write some.
Don't worry, I got it. Let me just tell you guys with that. And here now, let me just tell you guys with the help of an example. That is an interesting topic actually. Basics only, I can tell you guys that right now. Just give me a moment, huh? Sure, I can tell you guys that. So like print. Hello.
Yes.
Just correct me if I'm wrong, okay? You're saying like that.
Yes, yes.
If I will run it, both will get attached together.
Yes, ma'am.
So this you guys can use now in multiple ways. Let me show you guys that. That you guys can see this end now. This means after that, after hello will get ended now, just give some space and put another print statement, whatever is there. This means that if you are putting one thing, you can put \n. \n. \n means new line. One thing you guys can do is \t. That means tab. It will give you guys space in between the words.
Ma'am, that end equal to means it is going to end. That's it, right?
Yeah, that is end only.
Okay.
End is equal to some space means it will give you guys some space and the next print statement will get printed. \n means new line. \t means some space between the words. That is tab. Okay, Meenakshi, are you clear
Okay.
now? Meenakshi, are you clear? Meenakshi?
Ma'am, end is a keyword, right?
And is not a keyword. See the
Okay,
color.
what? Okay. And what is the use of
So,
end?
just to attach two print statements together, nothing else. You want to use, you
Okay.
can use. You don't want to use, you can skip that as well. Not that important. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. I
That
also
means
learned
that
about
means
a yes.
that means you are telling that like we can use that as a f function. We put that as a f function and put all the things so that everything will come in the same line.
Yeah,
Instead
yeah.
that we can put that end equal to and then we can continue the print as a different one. That's it.
That also you guys can do. Which operator are you talking about, Saswat? Which operator are you talking about? Saswat, please let me know. Are you talking about sum function? Are you talking about sum function? Yeah, that is a predefined function. You just have to put dot sum in bracket with the name of the list, and all the things will get attached together. All the things will get like added together in a list. Give me a second, huh? I'm telling. I'm going on that part only, Vivek. We will do each and everything. Give me a second, huh? Let me just take that first. Where is it? Yeah. Let's take num is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What you have to do? Print sum num. Just that you have to do. Inside sum function, parenthesis, just put the name of the list and you will get the answer. Okay, Saswat? Great. Most welcome. Okay, guys, now should I start with the homework questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Should I? Okay, great. Let's start with the homework questions now. Oh. Guys, please don't write on my screen now. Durga, you're putting dots on my screen. Please don't do that. Okay. So, guys, problem statement number 1. Write a program to simulate the roll of a 6-sided die until the outcome is a 6 using random dot rand int. Durga, please don't do that. Each time the die is rolled, print the result. Continue rolling and printing the outcomes until a 6 appears. Use a while loop to perform repeated rolls and stop once the result is 6. So, what is going to be the answer now? Here, guys, to get it, what I will use a random module first of all. First of all, we are going to use a random module. Roll, I am going to initialize it at 0, first of all. Then it is going to run while till until my condition will meet that roll is not is equals to 6. And roll is equal to random dot rand int 1 is 1 comma 6. That in between them only it will come, and they both are also going to get included, and print f rolled roll. See, if I will run it again, it can become afterwards also. See, so many times. No problem, Saraswat. You can clear your doubts now, na? Is everyone clear with the problem statement number 1? Is everyone clear with the question number 1? That's not an issue. That's not an issue. If you want to count now, then also you can use. I just like to initialize first whenever using a while loop, so I am using that. Okay. You guys can use a break statement. That is correct. If using for loop. Very good, Subhadeep. As I have told you guys before, there are multiple ways to write down one single code in Python. So now guys, let's do our problem statement number 2. Write a program to calculate the total sum of all numbers in a given list. Start with the list, this. Initialize a variable to hold the sum of the elements. Starting at 0. Use a for loop to iterate over each element in the list, adding each number to the running total. After the loop completes, print the final sum. This approach will allow you to add up all elements in the list one by one. Whenever I'm doing sum and all, then I have to initialize. Okay? See, numbers, I'm taking the list. I have to initialize because I'm doing the sum, na? Total is equal to 0 for num and numbers. Just add them all together and you have to just print your total. Very good, Sastrit. And you will get your answer. Everyone clear with problem statement number 2? Everyone clear with problem statement number 2?
So I have a question, like total plus equal to num.
That means this is a short form. That means total is equal to total plus num. That is just a short form. Okay, Nitesh?
Okay.
Yeah. Now let's move forward, guys.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can you
Suresh.
explain Subhadip first screenshot?
Subhadeep screenshot. Which screenshot are you talking about?
Ma'am,
Give me a
first
second.
while loop area used.
Are you all able to see the screenshot on my screen? Are you all able to see the screenshot on my screen?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, no.
No. Give me a second. No?
Ma'am, we can take it, we can copy it once everything is done, right, ma'am?
Yeah, you guys can do it. Just give me a moment. Huh? I will just attach it for you guys over here in the form of text. Then you guys don't have to do, no? I will only do for you guys. What happened? Yeah. Now are you all able to see?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So guys, what is happening? He is doing the same thing only. It's just that he is just using another syntax. He is using true and break statement. It's just that I didn't use a break statement. He is using the break statement. Okay. He is using while true, while the condition is true.
Ma'am, it means that while condition तो every time is true ही रहेगी.
Sorry?
तो while true लिखा हुआ है. तो ये तो जब भी while loop follow up करेगा वो हमारी हर time condition true ही रहेगी.
हाँ, हर time आप condition true रख सकते हो, but you have to make changes in here. You have to use break statement or continuous statement because you have to break the loop as well, no? You have to continue the
Yes,
loop
ma'am.
as well.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay.
So that depends upon you. How you want to create your loop?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, you're correct, Supradeep. Now, guys, let's move forward. Let's do problem statement number 3. Now, write a program that asks the user to input a number. Yes, you're correct. You're correct. Write a program that asks the user to input a number. Use a for loop to generate and print the multiplication table that the number from 1 to 10. Each line of the output should display the calculation in the format number multiply I is equal to result. Where number is the user provided input, I is the current multiplier from 1 to 10. A, the results. So how you're going to do it? For that, first of all, you have to ask a number from the user, int input. Then just take a loop, for loop. For I in range 1 to 11, because 1 to 10 so I need, no. 1 to 10 so I need. So just take that and just with the help of f-string formatting number, you will get it from here. Multiply with the I, loop will work 1, 2, 3, 4, and just multiply them together and you will get your answer as well. See? Give me a number, guys. Give me a number.
7.
See? How easily I got the whole multiplication table over here with the help of this loop. Clear with problem statement number 3?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Great. Sudha, you also let me know where your doubts will come, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, so now write a program that prompts the user to enter 10 numbers, one at a time. For each number, check if it is positive or negative. Sum only the positive numbers and ignore any negative numbers. At the end, print the total sum of all positive entered by the users. Make sure to use the input function to capture each number from the user and use a for loop to repeat the process 10 times. Use an if statement to check if number is positive or not. Now, how will I get to know that the number is positive? Can anyone let me know that? How will I get to know that the number is positive?
Divisible, like percentage 2 equal to 0. That means it
That
is
will be
positive.
even. That will be even number. I want positive
I'm less than
number.
0. I'm less than 0 negative होगा, greater than 0 positive होगा.
Yes. Easy, right? So, how will I get my answer? How will I get my answer now? How will I create this? First of all, initialize. Total is equal to 0. Because you have to take the sum and use a for loop. 10 times you have to read. So, take the range 1 to 11. Then ask the user for the number. With the help of num. Int input, enter number. Enter number. I 1 time, second time, third time, fourth time, like this. Now check if the number is greater than 0, then to sum it, then to add it in the total. Otherwise, it will just not get added, no? And at the end, just get the sum of all positive numbers. Now, if I will run it, you guys give me the numbers. Give me the numbers, guys. Give me number 1, 19. Number 2, 10. Minus 21, minus 7. Number 5, minus 66, minus 37, 96, 12, 25, minus 59. Okay, now guys, according to that, and now I am having 10 numbers. According to that, if I will just take the positive numbers, what should be my answer? My positive number is 19 plus 10 negative, 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 plus 96, plus 12, plus 25. So my answer should be 162. Let's see. And this is what my answer is coming, 162. Is it clear, everyone, that how I created this problem statement?
So I have one question, two
Yes,
question
yes.
actually. So here we don't have to import module, right?
No, here I am not doing the module because here clearly it is written take the user input.
Okay, and under num integer input, right? Can we write if number is less than 0, it's a positive number, and continue to skip this? So can we write like this?
Yeah, if you want, but I want to do the sum now.
Okay, fine. Yeah, but
Okay.
yeah.
So why continue? I want sum. That is why I'm not continuing over here. Okay.
No. If we under num, if we write if number num less than 0, then it's a negative, means it's a negative. So we'll type continue under it, and if positive, then
But here I am putting the condition, then I don't have need to do that. That will be an extra step. I don't need an extra step.
okay. That is
Because
also valid, right?
that will also be valid, but yeah, if you want, you can do that, but it will be an extra step, I would say.
Okay.
Okay. Now, guys, let's do problem statement number 5. Write a program that prompts a user to enter a sentence using the input function. Then count and print the number of vowels, both uppercase and lowercase, present in the sentence. Vowels are defined as the letters A, E, I, O, U. And the program should recognize both uppercase and lowercase versions of these vowels. Use a for loop to iterate through each character in the sentence and an if statement to check if the character is a vowel. Now, guys, how you are going to do that? Take a sentence with the help of input. Then put all the vowels in a string, both uppercase, both lowercase. Put all of them inside a string. Then initialize count is equal to 0 and just put your for loop. For char in sentence, if char and vowel, just add them together and you will get your vowel count. Is it clear, everyone? Are you all clear with this?
Can you explain again?
Okay. Then only lower only it will take, so it will not take the uppercase. That is why I'm taking both lower and upper inside a string. Because if I will not initialize in the string now, either it will take only lower, either it will take only upper. So to take them both, I am taking them in a string. Okay, Soumya? So what is happening? First of all, I'm taking a sentence from the user. Then I'm taking this vowels. I'm initializing the vowels. Yeah, in here, if in sentence, if I will put dot lower, then so everything lower, that will be fine. If the sentence I'm going to put in lower, so Pradeep. But here clearly it is mentioned in my question, I have to recognize both lower and upper both. So for that, this only I have to do. Okay.
No, ma'am, sorry. I was talking about using the lower function in the loop for I dot lower in AEIOU. I did it like that.
Yeah, that only I'm saying, na. That only I'm saying.
But it is working. If I am
because
putting,
it is making the sentence lower. It is making the sentence in the lower sentence. So if you are taking only lower only after that, then it will work fine. But I want to check both. I don't want to use the lower function or upper function here. I have to check them without any function. Okay, so
okay.
Yeah. Now I hope everyone would be clear with this.
And
So
char is a predefined function.
No, char is not a predefined function. Here, this
Mm,
is the, you can say a word which I'm taking. I can take I also over here. Any name I can take.
okay, ma'am.
Okay.
so
Okay.
vowels we are defining under single quotes. So it
Yes.
will be a single text, right?
Out of stock also was in the text only, na? If you remember the out of stock example which we did in our last class,
Mm,
Nitesh, out of stock was also the part of one word. If you will remember, shoes and socks. It
okay.
was a
Okay.
part of the word.
Okay. Can you run this program? Okay.
Yeah, I'm running it. Do you guys give me a sentence? You guys give me a sentence, na? Yes, yes, Subhadeep. It's a string, and in string, each and every letter is having their own index, if you guys remember, while I was teaching you guys indexing. So they all are treated differently. Vowel count is 8. And let me take something in uppercase as well, like an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Okay? It is counting. It is counting. Everyone clear with problem statement number 5 now?
Ma'am, why we have to put that as AIOU small as well as bigger? Even you can put that as a lower, like in brackets or upper in brackets, and then they can write it, right?
But both I have to do now then.
Oh,
This
that
is the
means, see, for
easiest way.
example, yeah, that is right. But what I'm
Yeah.
asking, the sentence equal to input, enter a sentence in bracket, lower and brackets, and then
Then
upper
what you
brackets.
can
Yeah.
do now, here you can just put a condition if
Uh,
char in lower as well as it is in the upper as well. So
upper.
you have to
Okay.
use and also. You have to
Okay.
use
Okay. No
and
need. No
also.
need, ma'am. It is fine. It's fine. Yeah.
It is fine, na?
Yeah. It's easier.
It's easier.
This itself it is breaking.
Okay. Okay, guys. So now write a program, the prompt the user to enter 5 times, one at a time, and store each name in a list. Start by creating an empty list to hold the name. Use the input function to ask for each name and append it to the list. After all names are entered, print the list of the names in the reverse order. To reverse the list, use this. Already given. This will display the names in the opposite order from how they were entered. So, how we are going to do it? First of all, I'm going to initialize an empty list. Then for I in range, because 5 names I have to take, just enter the names with the help of input function. Right? After that, names.append with this name. And just print the names in the reverse order with the help of this thing which is already given for you guys. Is it clear, everyone?
So what is double colon -1?
That is how we can do the reverse of the list. This is the part of slicing only, but that is reverse slice. It will give you answer in the reverse way. Split function I haven't taught you guys, I guess, till now.
We can also do like if we define count equal to 10, what is count equal to 6, then
Font is equal to 6.
means count equal to variable equal to 6, then that variable equal to that variable -1, it will start from the negative.
No, you can't do like that. Yeah, have you used GPT? You have used the AI in us, Aswat? AI mostly gives you guys the answer in the difficult part only. Yeah, AI always gives the difficult part. Don't worry, we will learn about the split function. Then you can use that one also. Okay. So let me just put some names. Saswat, Vivek, Zulekha, Sudha, Meenakshi. And see, Meenakshi, Sudha, Zulekha, Vivek, Saswat. In the reverse order, I'm getting my answer. Everyone clear with the problem statement number 6? Because my list was empty, I have to append that in that, no? My list was empty. I have to append all the names in that first. Then only I can use, no? Okay, Saswat?
We cannot do like this, right? Count equal to 6, count minus equal to names.
According to me, you will get an error, Ritesh, but I will also tell you to try that out once on your own and let me know if it is working. I will just check that out, okay? According to me, just by looking at it, I don't think so it should work. Just try it and I will let you know. If there will be any error also, I will rectify it.
Ma'am, right now the new list is names. NAMES is the new list, right? So that is going to print right now.
First of all,
name is going to be the first one. Then the names we have changed that means append. We
no, this
append it.
names and name is both are different things. See, first of all, Zulekha, you also listen to me carefully, okay? I will cover all the questions in this. First of all, an empty list. Nothing is there. Names is the name. For I in range, here you can take other thing also. I'm just taking name. Name is different. Names is different. I'm taking name. In names dot append name. It is not having s. It is having s. Both are different. And this now my list which was empty, now it is filled with all the names, all thanks to the for loop. And now I'm going to reverse it. And yes, if you want to reverse, these two columns are very, very important. Yes, one alphabet changes a variable. Okay, Zulekha, Meenakshi, Sudha, clear guys?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Zulekha, Meenakshi, Sudha.
Yes, ma'am.
Zulekha? Great. Now guys, let's do the last question. Write a program that asks the user to enter 5 temperatures in Celsius, one at a time. Store each Celsius temperature in a list. After collecting all 5 temperatures, convert each temperature to Fahrenheit using the formula F is equal to C multiply 5 by 9 plus 32, where C is the temperature in Celsius. Print both the original Celsius temperature and the converted Fahrenheit temperature at 2 separate lists. Use the input function to collect each temperature from the user. Use a loop to repeat the input collection 5 times. And after collecting all inputs, create a new list where each temperature is Celsius is converted into the Fahrenheit. So how I'm going to do it, guys? First of all, again, an empty list for the Celsius.
Ma'am,
Take it from the user.
Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, 1 minute.
Yeah.
Fahrenheit is going to be C into 9 by 5, right? I don't know why 5 by 9.
That is a formula. That is a scientific formula.
I'm telling that means C into 9 by 5, but it's not 5 by 9.
Just give me a second, no? I will confirm. Okay, I did a mistake. Just give me a second. I will just make it correct. Thank you, Sudha.
Problem.
9 by 5 here also. Yeah, okay. Here I have done correct. There I have made the mistake. Okay. Here it is correct only. Okay, so guys, how we are going to do it? First of all, Celsius is equals to an empty list. Okay, then for I in range 1 and 6, because 5 times I want to take. I'm taking float because Celsius can be 23.6, 27.8, anything, no? So in float I'm taking. Then Celsius dot append temperature. My list will, my list which was once empty, now it will become full. Now convert each Celsius temperature to Fahrenheit with the help of Fahrenheit is equals to under square bracket. That is the short form how you can create a loop. Temperature, just put the formula with the help of temp. With the help of temp, because in that only one by one I'm getting all the thing, no? For temp in what? In the list Celsius. For temp in the list Celsius. One by one it will come and you will get the whole list. The square brackets are representing the list, and inside that I am putting this a little for loop, which is going to fill that whole list with the converted Celsius to Fahrenheit values. And just print both of them and you will get your answer. Now if I will run this, just give me the temperatures, guys. Give me the temperatures in Celsius one by one. $37. Give me a second. One by one I'm going to put 37, 40, 27.8 minus 5.8 minus 3. This is what I am having, and this is what I am getting my answer after converting them. Now tell me, are you all clear with all the problem statements from the homework?
Ma'am,
Are you all clear? Yes,
one
please.
minute. See, you are putting the two print, right? You told that like it has to come in like that we can put, or we have to put that as end equal to, then it will come as a next print.
No, that is okay. That
That
end
is
I
print.
was just telling in the class because Meenakshi insisted.
Oh, there is no need for putting. We can put it like
Yeah.
this in order to get the printed, right?
No, it is not important. Last question once again. Yeah, I'm explaining once again. So first of all, I'm taking Celsius as an empty list. Then for loop, I'm running it 5 times because I want 5 times to take input from the user. I'm taking the input as a float because it can be in decimal values. Then I'm just appending it inside my list, which was empty. Now it is full. Now I am taking Fahrenheit is equals to, first of all, square brackets, which is indicating a list. Inside that, I'm just putting the formula. I'm taking a variable temp, and I'm just putting for temp in Celsius. Celsius is what? The list which is now full with the values taken by the user. It will just convert all the values one by one and fill my Fahrenheit list. And I'm just printing them after that. This is what my solution is. Okay, Zulekha? Any doubts, anyone in any of the question of the homework?
So can you explain again Fahrenheit line?
Yeah. In Fahrenheit line, what I'm doing, this is just a formula. In this, I'm taking this variable temp, which is going to indicate each and every element present in my what? Celsius list. That is why for temp in Celsius. And these square brackets are for the list. So that each and everything will happen, and in the list only it will get stored. Now clear?
मैम जो हमने ये फ़ारेनहाइट को लिस्ट फ़ारेनहाइट में लिस्ट फंक्शन के अंदर यूज किया हुआ फॉर्मूला, इसको लिस्ट कम्प्रीहेंशन कहते हैं, यही है चीज?
Sorry, your
Yes.
voice is cutting in between very badly, Vivek.
मैम अभी आ रही सही से?
हाँ, अब बोलो.
मैम जो हमने लिस्ट में फ़ारेनहाइट की लिस्ट में टेम्परेचर ये फॉर्मूला जो लिस्ट के अंदर डाला है, इसी को क्या लिस्ट कम्प्रीहेंशन कहा जाता है?
Are you talking about this one?
नो मैम, नीचे वाला.
हाँ ये वाला तो मैंने ये वाला हमने क्या किया, दिस इज द फॉर्मूला एंड आफ्टर दैट बिकॉज टेम्प ना ये मैंने क्या किया है, दैट इज अ वेरिएबल नेम, यू कैन
मैम मैं
चेंज इट
वो
एज
नहीं कह
वेल.
रहा, मैं वो तो समझ गया, मैं ये बोलना
ओके.
चाहूँ कि जो हमने यहाँ पे ऐसे जो लिखा हुआ है, तो
हम्म.
लिस्ट कॉम्प्रिहेंशन करके एक टर्म होती है,
Yeah, yes,
तो
that is list
ये वही चीज है।
comprehension. I will add it over here.
ओके
Actually, your voice was cutting in between us, so I was not getting the word which what you're saying. That is list comprehension only.
ओके मैम।
Ma'am, here we have to put only float, right? Not the integer.
Yeah, only float. Because that can be 27 by 8, 5.8, na, so better
Okay.
take float only. And now, guys, tell me, any doubts, anyone?
Ma'am, again Fahrenheit. So temp asterisk 9/5 ये कैलकुलेट होकर फ़ारेनहाइट वेरिएबल में स्टोर हो जा रहा है, राइट?
Yes,
देन ये फॉर temp in Celsius, so for
that is a
temp in
for loop. For temp,
for
that is a variable which I'm taking, and this variable is indicating the whole list of Celsius.
okay.
Okay, one by one it will happen and automatically it will get stored in the list because I'm using square brackets, and this is known as list comprehension.
Ma'am, that means we are using the two for loops right here. Two loops here.
Yes,
First one is
this
yeah.
is the first one, this is the second one. Second one I'm just using it in the comprehensive way.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Any other doubts, anyone?
First, if you are going to put the loop, then we have to come out of the loop and then put a new loop, right? For the Fahrenheit.
Yes. Inside a loop also we can do, but but right now we are on the very basics.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So can I move forward now, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Oh, it's 10. It's already 10. I didn't saw the time today. Okay, guys. So now we are having the part number 6, that is odd and even game and your post quiz. So let me just give you guys the problem statement. So guys, as now today we are a little late, now you guys have to stay back with me, okay? Now you guys have to stay back with me because the whole part number 6 is pending. Will that be okay, guys? If because at least half an hour or 40 minutes I have to take. That will be okay, na? Everyone? Great. Okay, guys. So now this is your problem statement. Odd or even game. Now, design a Python program that allows users to play an odd or even game. The program will generate random numbers and prompt the users to guess whether each number is odd or even. The player's goal is to get as many correct answers as possible in a limited number of attempts. Game requirements are game introductions, first of all. The program should display a welcome message introducing the game. Give me a second, guys. Give me a second. Just give me a second. Huh? First of all, okay, his mic is not working. Okay, so what I was saying, guys. So the program should display a welcome message, then prompt the player to enter their name. Gameplay. The game should consist of 5 attempts, so you have to create a loop, obviously. For each attempt, the program will generate a random integer between 1 and 100 using the random method. Display the generated number and prompt the player to guess if it is odd or even. Capture the player's guess and determine if it matches the actual parity of the number. Then, if the number is divisible by 2, it is even, otherwise it is odd. Display the player's guess and the correct answer, whether the number is odd or even. So now, before before I will give you guys that, tell me, are you guys clear what you are going to do in this gameplay? Are you all clear what you are going to do in this gameplay? Tell me, guys. What about others?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So first we have to prepare the five attempts. That means
Yes.
so 1 to 6 first.
Yes.
So what we have to do that is we have to put a random integer. Enter the integer. Ask the people to enter the integer between range rand int
Yes. Very good. You guys got
ra-
it this time.
rand integer 1 to 100. First thing.
Yes.
And then display the generated number and prompt the player to guess if it is odd or even. So if statement comes here, if slash that percentage of 2 equal to 0.
Very good. That is what I wanted.
Yeah.
Very good, Sudham. Now, scoring part. You have to track the player's score based on the correct guesses. Each correct guess adds 1 point to the player's score. Display the updated score after each attempt. End of the game. Show once all 5 attempts are completed, display a game over message and show the player's name and final score in this format that your score is whatever the score will be /5. You have to do the input handling as well. So it should be case sensitive. Except odd as valid entries. So what you're going to do, use lower function here and create the game. Are you all clear with the problem statement this time? Are you all clear with the problem statements?
Ma'am, third is what, ma'am? That means the second is a gameplay. The third one we cannot see that.
Third one,
is
you have to add you have to initialize something as 0 first, and you have to add it only when your answer is correct.
Okay. That means total plus 1.
Yes. You have to add it only when your answer is correct. You have to put the condition for that. This is your task. Now I'm sharing this notebook with all of you. And right now, guys, it is the time like 10:08. So I'm giving you guys the time till 10:20. I'm giving you guys the time till 10:20. Create this game and let me know your answers. Your time starts now. I will be on mute. After 10:20 only, I will help you guys now. Okay? No problem, Saswat. Saswat, I am sending you this code link again. Just go through this problem statement. Odd or even. This is very, very easy. Just go through this one and let me know if you have any issue with the problem statement. I will explain and then you can start building. Yeah, and you can start building. Okay. Now I will be on mute and after 10:20 I will help everyone with the codes. Okay. Great. Four and seven, though I can help you right now also, Saswat. Okay. Everyone is having the link, so I will help you with the 4 and 7 problem statement. Okay. Saswat, is your network clear now? Are you able to hear me properly, Saswat? Just give me a quick check now. Are you able to hear me properly? It's fine. Okay. So what is problem statement number 4 now, Saswat? Write a program that prompts the user to enter 10 numbers, one at a time. No problem. So 10 numbers. So for loop, I am going to use range 1 to 11. For each number, check if it is a positive or negative. Sum only the numbers which are positive. Ignore the negative ones. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to initialize because I'm going to sum. Total is equal to 0. For I in range 1 to 11, take the number from the user with the help of int because integer. If the number will be greater than 0, so obviously it is a positive number, just add it. Total is equal to 0, na? Total is equal to total plus number. Add it and you will get your answer. And just at the end, print the total. And this is your problem statement number 4. Is it clear? What's happening? Is it clear now, Saswat? Is it clear now, Saswat? Problem number 4 is clear. Okay. Now should I do the problem statement number 7, or you have any question? Let's proceed to 7. Okay. Okay, so solution number 7. So in here, what we are doing, just give me a moment. Yeah. So in here, what we are doing first with, here I have to create two lists, Celsius and Fahrenheit. Celsius, first of all, I have to take from the user. So first of all, I'm taking an empty list. Then I'm giving it the range 1 to 6 because it is clearly given 5 attempts only I am going to give. 5 times only I can take the user input. So with the help of float, I'm taking Celsius dot append with temperatures. So now once the empty list will become full now with all the user inputs which I'm going to take, then Fahrenheit. I'm using this square bracket. Square bracket means list. Inside that, I'm just putting down the formula. Inside that, I'm just putting down the formula. For temps in Celsius. What is temp now? What is temp now? The thing which I'm taking as a variable which is going to represent my whole Celsius list. This thing is known as list comprehension. Inside a list, I'm just putting a little for loop. And then I'm just printing Celsius and Fahrenheit list. Are you clear now, Saswat? Are you clear with this, Saswat? First of all, an empty list Celsius. Then I'm taking a range 1 to 6. I'm just generating it 5 times. 5 times I'm asking the user to give me the Celsius input. Then I'm appending that into the Celsius list. So once my empty list now became my full list. Okay. Now after that, what happened? Yes, full list. Now my empty list now is having the full list. Now it is having all the numbers in between which I have got from the user. Now Fahrenheit, I'm converting it. I'm taking square bracket. That means a list. That is a list. Inside that I'm putting the formula. Here I'm taking a variable temp, which is going to represent each and every variable present in my Celsius list. For temp in Celsius only I'm providing. This thing inside a list I'm putting a for loop is known as list comprehension. Are you clear now? Clear, Saswat? Clear with all the things now? Yeah, list comprehension is inside a list if you are putting the loops. That is known as list comprehension. In multiple ways you can do it. In your upcoming classes, you will see me most of the times using list comprehension now. You will get that practice also. Okay. Now, Saswat, there are still 5 minutes. If you want, you can just try out this problem statement now. And I will be on the mute for 5 minutes now. Okay. Yes. No, not a problem, Saswat. I can understand. I was also a hostler once. I can understand this problem very well. That happens with all the hostel students. I can understand this point. Don't worry about that, okay? That is a genuine problem which can happen to anyone over here. And I can also relate with you because I was also a hostler once. This problem happens most of the time, and which I guess every hostler can relate with that. Yeah, I know. I got you. I can understand very well. I remember my online examination when I had the online test during my hostel days. Very good, Vivek. Very good, Aditya. Very good, Aditya. Great attempt. Okay, everyone, time is also over. Everyone, time is also over. Come on, everyone. Who all are done? Let me know that first. Who all are done? Who all are done with the problem statement? Aditya and Vivek are done. What about others?
Ma'am, I tried, ma'am, but it is showing error.
No problem. We can solve the error then. You are seeing error, we will see the error then. Okay, Sudha?
Ma'am.
Yes, yes. No problem, Zulekha. At least you tried, na? Don't worry, we will do that now. Okay, let's start. Let's start building the game together. Ouch. Okay, first of all, I have to print the welcome message. What is the name of the game? Odd or even?
Yes, ma'am. Welcome to order even game.
Game, yes. Now, player's name is equals to input. The player's name cannot be a number. Enter your name. And Sudha, you also let me know where did you have done the problem, huh? Just check out your code
Yes,
alongside
ma'am. Yes,
mine.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I want two things. I want to add score also. I want to get the attempts also. So attempts, let me just take 5. 5 attempts only I want. So why I'm taking attempts? Let me just see the put in range only. For I in range 5. Num is equals to random dot random 1 comma 100.
Integer, ma'am. Rand int.
Very good. You guys are seeing my code. And also one more thing. I haven't imported random.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Import random.
Yes. Import random for I in range.
Same
Num
mistake
is
I
equals
did.
to.
I didn't put import random.
You did. Okay. You have got your mistake. Now guess is equals to input f is a number num odd or even. Dot lower. Okay, because I want to take all this I want to make it I have to make it case sensitive now. Case sensitivity also I have to check. So dot lower. Now if num percent 2 is equal to 0, that means correct answer is even. Otherwise, correct answer is odd. Now, if guess is equal to correct answer. Now, if guess is equal to correct answer. If guess is also even, correct answer is also even. Then you guessed the correct answer is correct answer. And score is equal to score plus 1 only. Let me put it over here. Score is equal to score plus 1. And if you guys remember, score I have initialized as 0. Okay, Zulekha? Okay, Zulekha, clear? Else, print, oops, that's incorrect. And at the end, just print \n, game over.
Ma'am, we have to give a score, ma'am, divided by 5.
No, that was like out of 5. That is why I said /5.
Oh,
Okay. Got it?
okay.
I'm very happy that you guys are now able to create the codes on your own. There is still something, but you guys will be able to do that also very easily. Everyone clear with the code which I have written in front of you? Everyone clear with the code?
Can you explain again the whole code?
First of all, to print the welcome message for the game. Then take the player name. Then because I want to add the score, so take score is equal to 0. Import random because I have to take the number randomly. Na, I want to use rand int. So take that. Now guess is equals to input. Is it even? Is it odd? That you have to guess now. Dot lower because case sensitivity is also there. Now if number percent 2 is equal to 0, that means if the number is divisible by 2, then so it is even. Just put correct answer is equal to even. Else the correct answer is equals to what? Now if the guess and correct answer both are equal, then so you guessed it right and add that in the score. Otherwise, oopsie, that is incorrect. And at that, just show everything. And here is your answer. Is it clear now, Nitesh? Soumya, that is in front of you how to add.
So num equal to random dot random int. So it will going to print means
Random number between 1 to 100, including
okay,
1 and 100 as well.
it will be random number, right? Between 1 to
Yes.
100.
Yes.
Then we have to guess. Okay.
Should I run this? Okay. Okay, who wants to play this? Who wants to test this code? That's great, Soumya. Who wants to test this code with me? Okay, Aditya. Is the number 55 odd or even? Deliberately give the wrong answers as well. Okay? Odd or even? Guys,
It's odd. It's odd.
Okay, I'm not playing it with myself. You guys only have to answer me, okay? Is 3 odd or even?
It's
Let
odd.
me put even. Deliberately I will put wrong. Oops, that is incorrect. To show you guys other things are also working. 25 again odd. Yeah, that also you can do. You can do, Durga. Even. Hard. And you get game over. Aditya, your score is 4/5 because one I deliberately did incorrect.
Ma'am,
Now, is everyone clear? Yes, yes,
ma'am,
tell me.
in my program, it is coming only once. It is not coming 5 times.
Range.
I 1 minute. I don't know where I did it. Mistake.
Hello, ma'am. I have a problem as well.
Yes, Subhadeep.
Yeah, so the problem is it is checking the even part, all right, but it is
It
checking
is?
the odd part too. I don't know what the problem is. Can I send you the
Sorry,
photo?
I didn't got your problem. Your voice was cutting in between.
Yeah,
Yes, yes,
it is.
sure.
Hello. Am I audible? Yeah, so it is checking the even part correctly, but it is messing up during the odd part. So can you please check out my code? I'm sending you the photo right now.
Yeah, send me.
All right.
This in my code, it is if the answer is correct, it is running. But
Okay.
if the answer is wrong, even one is wrong, the others are not running, and it's just giving the score.
Send me the code, guys. Then only I will be able to check.
Ma'am, I have sent you the code. Can you please
Yeah,
check it
give me
out?
a second. Let me check Subhadeep. Then I will check yours also. Okay? Welcome to the order even game. Hello name. Both random. 1 to 6. If number percent is equals to 0, your if statement is wrong. Your if statement is wrong. So Pradeep,
Okay, so what? Yeah.
you are putting if random percent is equals to 0 or user guess is equals to even. If you are just putting user guess is equals to even, then why are you checking that? First you have to tell it now. If it is equals to 0, then it is even only. You have to tell your code first that, then only it will work.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Got it.
We
Yeah.
are just doing a little issues with little problem is there in the even and odd part only, nothing else. And now someone
Okay.
else was also telling me to check their code. Just give me a second, Saswat. Let me just check Standard's code. I will explain it again. Input your name. Give me a second. I'm just going to run it on my own. Why? Okay. So much things you're putting inside. Only one print, one if. Remove this one. Only for even you have to check it is correct. Uh, let it be for that also. Give me a second now. Your code na, it is confusing. Pandan. जानबूझ के करके देखते हैं. It's
मैम
for
यहाँ पे और कंडीशन यूज की गई है, इसकी वजह से वो स्टेटमेंट बार बार सही हो जा रहा है.
No, for incorrect also it is coming na. 84 I took it as odd. It is taking incorrect. That is correct only. No, your if and else is working fine. It's
Miss,
just
the
that your
score
total
part.
is not working. Your total part is not working. Yeah, give me a second. No? Your total part is not working. Because total now you're not putting it inside the for loop. How will it work? Here you can put your yeah, give me a second. Here it should work. Now it is working now. Your
Yes,
score
ma'am.
part was only good.
Yes, miss.
Okay, I'm sending you this correct code as well. Clear now, Standen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now Saswat, I'm explaining this code again, okay? So first of all, what we are doing, we are printing the welcome message for the odd or even game. Then I am taking, just give me a second, let me just check if he is in the meet. Yeah, he is. Okay, Saswat, my voice is clear to you? Saswat, my voice is clear to you? Okay. So print, welcome to the even or odd game. Player name, take it from the user input. Take the score is equal to 0, initialize, import random because random module I'm going to use. For I in range 5, num random dot rand int 1 to 100. Input if the number is odd or even. Just take that out, okay? If the number is odd or if it is even. Then if number %2 is equal to 0, because I want 5 attempts only. Here it is given only 5 times you have to do the loop. That is the condition. If number %2, then it is a even number. Just put correct answer is even. Similarly, else that is odd. Now, if guess and your correct answer both are equal, you guessed it, the correct answer is. And also you have to score. You have to give the score also. Score plus 1. Yes. Are you clear with the statement, Saswat? Are you clear with the code, Saswat?
Can you go up? So if I in for I in range, if I give 1,6, it will be same, right?
1,6 will also be same. Yes. 5 times only it will work, no?
And then
This is also
so
working
num
5
equal to
times.
random dot
1,6 will also work 5 times. Yes. What random?
okay.
So, Saswat, first of all, I am taking the print. Welcome to the odd or even game. Player name, input, enter your name. Score is equal to 0. Import random. Take a range of 5 because 5 times only I want my program to work. Take rand int. Guess it as even or odd. If the number is a number which we are getting from the compiler, if it is divisible by 2, then put it as even, otherwise it is an odd number. Then if the guess and correct answer both are equal, print this line and add your score. Otherwise it is incorrect, and at last just print the total score which you have got. Is it clear now, Saswat? Great. Okay guys, so now the last part for your today's session is your post quiz. Let me just send you guys your post quiz link. Guys, I have sent you all the post quiz link. Did you all receive it? Did you all receive it? Okay. Everyone, please do your post quiz and let me know the marks. Yes, that is Rishu, if you will put the range 1, 10, 2, you will get the answer from 1 to 9. You will get 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. But if you will put 1, 9, 2, you will get till 7 only. 9 will not get included. Okay, Rishu? Yes, Subhadeep.
Yeah, ma'am. I think Rishi's question was a bit different. I think it's a question from the quiz. So there was this question where we had this question print list range 1, 10, 2. So it is printing all the odd numbers. So that is why I also choose the same
Yeah,
option.
all the odd numbers only.
And it
8th
is
question,
wrong.
na?
It is, yeah, it is showing wrong. Yeah, that is right.
Give me a second. 8th question. What will range in a loop? It will give me odd numbers from 1 to 10. 1, numbers from 1 to 9 with a step 2. Yeah, second and fourth both can be true, but that depends on how it is done. Okay, which one you guys are getting it correct? One or second or fourth? Second and fourth both can be correct. Odd numbers. 9 is going to get included. Yeah. You're getting second or fourth as the correct. Can anyone tell?
Ma'am, it is showing the odd number wrong. The
Which
option
question,
with
ma'am?
odd
Which
number.
question, ma'am?
Eighth
What's the
question.
number?
Eighth question. Eighth question. Which one it is showing correct? Second option or fourth option?
Miss, it's showing fourth option.
Fourth option. No? Okay. I will talk to Zaida about it. Sorry, because according if I
Fourth
will just
only
see,
coming, ma'am. Fourth.
yeah, odd number from 1 to 10 can also be correct. Don't worry. But yeah, if you guys will see the explanation part, if you guys have to choose along with the explanation part, then fourth is much better option than the second one. Okay. And last question, 10th question, you guys want me to explain? Okay. Which code snippet will print element in the list is equals to 1, 2, 3, one by one? For I in range, for I in numbers and print, option number 3. Option number 3, Zulekha. For 10th, option number 3. Just give me a second, Durga. I'm still taking the questions now. Okay, Zulekha?
Miss, can you please explain continue statement once? Why we use continue?
Continue statement we use when my any condition I have given, my condition is satisfied. So the thing which is satisfying that condition, that is going to get skipped and others are going to get continued. Okay? That the thing which is satisfying the condition, that will not be the part of my output. And now for 9th question, which does the following code output? What does the following code output? -1. -1, Zulekha. That is negative indexing. 5 will be the answer. 5 will be the answer. That is negative indexing. 4th question. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I'm taking 4th and 5th question also. 1:3. 2 and 3 will be the answer. 0, 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2 will be the answer. Slicing part, Zulekha. Slicing. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3 will be the indexing. Meenakshi, Zulekha, Navya, clear guys? That's great, Rishu. This is the list now. Positive indexing 0, 1, 2, 3. 1:2. So 1 starting from 1,
So
just ending at
so
the just
in
ending. Give me a second. Let me just complete it first, please. Ending just before the number at the ending.
okay,
2
it's
and 3 will get
exclusive.
printed.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Clear, guys. Understood? Fifth question also. Give me a second. I'm
And
just
sixth
taking the fifth
question,
question
not
as
even
well.
sixth question, not fifth.
Just give me a second, huh? I'm taking that question too. Which statement would correctly modify the value at index 1 in the list? My list 1 is equal to 25. Yeah, first one only now. First one only, first option, my list. That is modifying. That is modifying now. My list square bracket. Just put the index and is equals to 45. 25. Option number 1 for the fifth part. Is it clear now, everyone? Are you all clear with the post quiz?
Ma'am, what will be the range, rand range 210 to return? So I have taken that any integer between 2 to 8. That's what I put. Any integer I put, but actually it has to be any even integer between 2 and 8, right?
Yes.
That means last 10 is not counted. It is going to be 8 there.
Yes.
Okay. And the second one is what I want to ask you is that, so what will be the break statement? That is the entire loop. It has going to be stopped. 1 minute, 1 minute. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, right? 4, 1.
That's
Yeah,
sixth
ma'am,
question.
1 minute. What
Sixth
does
question.
numbers 1 is to 3 return numbers equal to 1, 2, 3, 4?
2, 3.
How?
Slicing.
What is that, man? How?
Slicing. Just explain, no?
Slicing. I don't understand.
So first of all, do the indexing. Positive indexing
Okay.
0, 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
1:3, na? Starting
Uh-huh.
from 1, just end before 3.
Okay,
2,
fine.
3 will get printed.
Okay, slicing. Okay.
Yes. And after that, question number 6. What will the break statement do when executed inside a while loop? It will end the entire loop. It will end the entire loop once the condition will met.
Ma'am, next option is also, I think, correct.
Skip the loop and execute the next block of code. Yes, that is also correct.
Yes, ma'am. That's
But if you because here now I'm seeing what is there now, just go with the proper explanation. A proper explanation one. Third one is the more correct option. Okay?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, everyone. Before I will give you guys a feedback form now, but first just let me know one thing, guys. Are you all clear? Is there any doubts? Is there any doubts in the whole thing? In the whole session? Any doubts, anyone?
When you write the codes, so it became easy, but when I read the question, I totally get blank. So how to code it? So it is happening with me only, or
It happens with everyone when they are in the beginning
Everywhere,
stage.
ma'am. Everybody, it is the same thing. By reading the code, it is easier, but when read the question, it is too
That
tough.
is the beginner stage. It happens with everyone. It used to happen with me as well. I'm not an exception case, guys. It happens with everyone.
Ma'am,
so
can you explain the slicing? I forget it actually. Like how we have to do the slicing, ma'am. 1
Just
and
give me
3.
a
That
second,
means you
huh?
tell that.
Just give me a second. That was a list, no? Indexing first, 0, 1, 2, 3. 1:3. Start from 1 and just before 3. That is 3 minus 1, 2. So 2 and 3 will come as the answer. If you want, you can master Python in just 2 or 3 months only, but that depends upon your practice also, Rishu.
Ma'am, when the class will over, so we'll get all this recording in separately, or do we need to save every class's link?
That Zahida, your program manager will be a much better person to answer that question actually.
Okay.
You guys can just post that in the WhatsApp group. She will answer.
Okay.
Okay. Now, guys, let me just send you all the feedback form. I've sent you all the feedback form, guys. Did you all receive it? Did you all receive it? And guys, I am just adding one prompt over here, that is Claude AI. And you guys just let me know, do I have to take Claude AI again in the class, or will you guys be able to explore it on your own? Claude AI, the AI tool, will you guys explore it on your own? Just give me a quick yes or no, na? Yeah, I will just let the program manager know. Okay, she will check that out. Yeah, she will check that out because I haven't created those quizzes, no? She will check that out. No, Navya, Wednesdays there is no homework. Wednesdays there is no homework. And now, guys, please fill out the feedback form.
Ma'am, can you share this link, this session, these
Like,
codes? Yeah.
yeah, I'm sending. Everyone, please fill out the feedback form and do please provide the valid reason in your feedback forms, okay? I've sent it. I'm just stop sharing my screen. I'm sending that link in your WhatsApp group as well. Good night. Good night, Aishwarya. Good night, Pandan. Who is it? Nitish, I'm muting you. Okay? That there is a background noise. Good night, Zalekha. Good night, Sipradeep. I'm sending feedback form again. Give me a moment, huh?
Bye, ma'am. Good night.
Bye. Good night. I've sent it again. Guys, please, whoever is pending, please fill out the feedback form now. Bye-bye. Good night, Soumya. Thank you, Navya. Good night. Durga, Saswat, Rishu, Vishal, Vivek, Meenakshi. Guys, please fill out the feedback form now and let me know. Thank you, Sneha. Thank you, Durga. Good night. Thank you, Rishu. Thank you. Good night, Sneha. Thank you, Vishal. Thank you, Saswat. Thank you, Vivek. Good night, guys. Okay, then, guys, so on that note, now I'm going to end the session and we will meet again on Saturday now, 8 p.m. IST sharp. Bye, guys. Bye, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye. One issue with quiz. What is the issue with quiz, Meenakshi? Please give numbers. Numbering to the quiz 1, 2, 3, 4, like that question number. Okay. I will talk to my team about that. Okay. I will talk to my team. And you can also pose this concern in the WhatsApp group. Okay, guys. Bye bye. We'll meet again on Saturday now. Bye, guys. Good night.